Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to turn off comments on your photo album on Mobile Legends. To disable comments on your photo album on Mobile Legends Bang Bang, first of all, open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang application on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside this home page. Once you are in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open up your profile. Inside your profile, go ahead and tap on Album on the left inside menu. You will then be able to see your album where all your uploaded pictures are stored. Go ahead and tap on the photo you want to disable the comments for and tap the three dots at the top right of your photo preview. Now in the expanded menu, you will see three different options. Tap on the option right in the middle above the trash can icon, and this will help disable others from commenting on your selected photo. If you want to enable it, you can again tap on the same option, and that is how you can easily enable or disable comments on your photos on Mobile Legends Bang Bang. You can do this for individual photos by repeating this step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video with more Mobile Legends Bang Bang tutorials. Enjoy your game with more privacy.